Welcome to Roger's Kitchen. This is Roger. Today we'll be making a southern delicacy called pineapple Cool Whip pie. We could probably all use a little pick-me-up right about now, and a pineapple Cool Whip pie is sure to do the trick. It's refreshing, it's colorful, and best of all, it's super simple. In fact, you might already have all the ingredients you need right there in your kitchen. All you need is 1 cup of boiling water. Careful now, it's hot. 1 cup of ice. You can also use ice to help soothe the burn in case you don't know how to boil water. 1 can of crushed, drained pineapple. Crushed, like my dreams of stardom. 1 box of lime jello. There's always room for jello. 1 8-ounce container of softened Cool Whip.
Nobody ate all the Cool Whip.
And 2 small graham cracker pie crusts. What a way to make a living, barely get to... You might also want to move into a trailer because this dessert is about as white trash as you can possibly get. You making that pie? Okay, so the first thing you want to do after washing your hands, which is probably the most important thing that any of us can be doing right now, is to boil 1 cup of water. Once your water boils, remove it from the heat and stir in your jello. Once you've stirred your jello for 3 minutes, take 1 cup of ice cubes, pour that into your jello, and stir that as well for another 3 minutes. Once you're done stirring your jello and your ice, take that mixture and pour it into your bowl of softened Cool Whip. Now it takes a while to stir the jello into the Cool Whip so that it's even, so don't get discouraged or think that you're doing it incorrectly. It does take a minute, but it's worth it. After that, take your drained crushed pineapple and stir that into your jello Cool Whip mix until it also is smooth. And what you want to do is just stir to taste. There's certainly no right answer here. You stir until it looks good to you and the consistency fits what you think you'd like it to be. So the lumps are not necessarily a bad thing. You're not going to be able to stir until they're all gone. It's okay to have some of the lumps in there because they end up being, in the long run, little pockets of flavor. So now that we've got our jello pineapple Cool Whip mixture to the consistency that we like it, it's time to spoon it into the pie crusts. And it goes just as so. And I think it's best to do 1 scoop in 1 pie crust and then 1 scoop in the other pie crust and repeat accordingly so that one pie doesn't end up with more fixings in it than another. Because what if you give them to twins and one twin is like, why is his pie bigger than mine? See? Then you put them in the refrigerator to chill. And it's as simple as that. It takes about 4 hours to chill them, so now you've got time to dance, to nap, get your hair done, or just bite someone's head. And voila, a cool, refreshing pick-me-up to help sweeten those stay-at-home blues. Now the pies only take a few hours to refrigerate, but for the best possible blend of flavors, you might want to let them chill overnight. So until next time, be smart. Wash those hands, don't touch your face, and stay the hell away from other people. Bye-bye now. So good. So good. Now that's flavor.